Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Inclined Thinkers. I am Sadiq Amar, your chemistry teacher. Today we are going to discuss the melting point of the naphthalene. First of all, we will see the apparatus of the first of all is Bunsen burner, then glass rod, beaker, iron stand, thermometer, tripod stand, wire gauze, matchbox, glass stirrer, and capillary tube. And in the context of the chemicals, we use the two chemical. One of them is water and other is naphthalene. Basically, we are going to discuss the melting point of the naphthalene. When we are saying about the apparatus, this is the apparatus. First of all, we will have to discuss the apparatus. This is basically a capillary tube in which naphthalene is added. This is a thermometer which is used to check or measure the melting point in the degree centigrade. This is a thread which is used to tie up the capillary tube and the thermometer. First of all, we will take the naphthalene in the capillary tube like this, and we have tied with the help of the thread with thermometer. This is Bunsen burner which is used to provide the heat or the temperature. This is basically a wire gauze which is used to provide the balanced temperature to the beaker. This is a beaker of the 250 ml, 100 centimeter cube water. This is water is added in it. Now we will hang the capillary tube and the thermometer with the help of this thread in the beaker. This is basically a stirrer which is used for moving the water so that balanced heat can be provided to the compound. This is a stand. This is also called stand, or this is also, we can also use a tripod stand, as we have seen in the picture of the apparatus that we have used a tripod stand. As I am familiar that this is a thermometer and this is a basically stand. Now we will see what we will take and what we will do. First of all, we will have to take the 3 centimeter long of the capillary tube, and we have sealed the one end of the capillary tube, and fill out approximately 1 centimeter of the capillary tube with the powdered naphthalene. Now tie this capillary tube with the thermometer with the help of the thread and hang it into the beaker. Now we will have to take the 250 centimeter cube of the beaker and add the 100 centimeter cube of water in that beaker, and we have put it on the wire gauze on the tripod stand. I have already discussed that wire gauze is basically used to provide the balanced temperature to the water, and place a beaker over it. Now the important point is that we will have suspend the thermometer along with the capillary tube in the water bath. Heat it gently and move the water with the help of the stirrer. Note, now we will see the naphthalene will melt in the capillary tube. When it is melted, so we will note the temperature, and when it melts, then we will have stop the heating. Now it will come into the solidified state. First of all, it was in the solid form and it starts melt, and we will have note the temperature. After that, we stop its temperature, mean put off the fire or put off the temperature or cut off the supply of the temperature, and allow to cool down from the liquid state to the solid state, and note the temperature. Note the temperature at which the solid just begins into the solidified. This is point to be noted. This is not solid. First of all, it will be a solid and melt. After the melting, it will be converted into the liquid, and when we cut off the supply, it will be liquid and converted into the solid, and we will have to note the temperature again. It's mean we will have note the two temperature. First of all, when solid converted into the liquid, that is melting point, and then we will have again note the temperature when the liquid converted into the solid. These points we have already discussed. Now we will see the observation. First of all, we note the temperature when the naphthalene starts melting, that is 78.5 degrees centigrade, that is called temperature 1, and when liquid begins to solidify, that is a temperature 2, we note that temperature. And after that, we will have to find its average, T1 T2 divided by 2, like 78.5 degrees centigrade plus 79 degrees centigrade and divided by 2. This is the average, and the average temperature of will be 78.75. This is basically the melting point, and this melting point is represented to the naphthalene. Now we will have see this is a practical of the naphthalene, and this is basically the physical chemistry, like determine the melting point of the given compound naphthalene. Now we will see the scheme of study of this practical. First of all, this is the point, melting point and boiling point have the same scheme of study. First of all, we will have to write the outline of the apparatus, that is of the 5 marks, and draw the label diagram. Keep it in your mind, dear listener. You will have to draw the diagram that is of the 2 marks, and then you will have to set the apparatus, and examiner will see you when you are setting the apparatus, that is graded as 1 marks, and you will have to record the observation of 2 marks, and at the end the result is of the 2 marks. So the total marks of the part 1 practical will be 12. Thank you very much, students. If you have any question, you are frequently allowed to ask the question from the cell phone, and also can in the comments. Allah Hafiz.